you're a building owner, facility manager, or consultant that's involved in technology projects, listen up. You are significantly limiting the success of the technology product if you do not align the building automation contractor with the technology supplier. I'd even go as far as saying that a technology project delivered as a standalone product and not part of an overall solution will fade away over time. Who do you think fixes all the faults that the technology application finds? It's the BMS service contractor, the BAS service contractor that fixes these things. They tune the control loops. And believe me, if they are annoyed or not interested, then you're not going to have a strong return on the investment that the owner made in the technology product. Building automation contractors and technology companies are in a way competitors. They do not organically collaborate. You need a contractual document to facilitate proactive collaboration. You need a do-it-yourself building automation maintenance specification plus 5 hours of video lessons that explain what each clause in the specification means and what problem it solves. There are 2 ways to use the building automation maintenance specification plus course. 1, if you're a building owner, purchase the specification plus course and sort it out yourself. 2, if you're a consultant or facility management agency, purchase the specification plus course and package it up as a product that you sell to building owners. This was a revenue stream for me. I restructured about 40 buildings. Buy the specification, make it your own, and generate your own revenue stream. If you want to transition from a typical preventative maintenance contract to a modernized maintenance contract that includes high value activities as part of normal maintenance, not charged extra, or you want to align the building automation contractor with the technology provider, then go to bms-training.com/BMS for facility managers.